Hello everybody and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. Today I am here to give you a very important piece of information, an important announcement for those of you who want to join an academy. Now I know, my dear friends, all of you cannot afford the subscription and hence you have to do with the YouTube lectures. You have to prepare with the YouTube lectures because you can't join an academy. You are not financially that well. So my friend, there is a golden opportunity waiting for you in the form of Unacademy Combat. Yes, you heard it right. This Sunday we are conducting the largest scholarship test across the country at 11 a.m. Mark the date and time, March 28th, 11 a.m. for electrical and ECE branches. So if you belong to any of these branches, then my dear, it's high time that you download the Unacademy Learning app and enroll for this free test. And while enrolling, if it asks you the key, use the invite code Ankit ESE without shying. You can tell them Ankit sir has invited you to attend this combat. And how can you tell them that? By using the code Ankit ESE. Let's know the details. So guys, these are the students who attended the scholarship test on 14th and got scholarships. Ayan Alam, rank 1 ECE. Then Surakshit, rank 2 electrical. Shikhar, rank 2 ECE. Komal, rank 3 ECE. Shivendra, rank 3 electrical. These people have successfully gotten the scholarships from Unacademy, and you can be the next face of this poster, and you can also get 100% scholarship. That means you don't have to pay even a single rupee to get into Unacademy. And believe me, my friend, when you enter Unacademy, the environment is completely different and that helps you grow. And you must know that by now because you have seen so many toppers coming from Unacademy Plus. Now, we have the challenging and the original questions created and curated by the top educators. These questions are not copied from anywhere. We create the questions to test the understanding of a student in various aspects. And if you have that understanding, if you have got that talent, then believe me, Unacademy Combat is the place where you should be. Now, you can super fast learn and have fun. You can be super fast and learn and have fun among all India candidates. So there are a lot of candidates that will be competing live in this combat, and you can compete with them live. You can learn and you can have fun. Okay, and you can see where you rank against all the top students in the country. See, you have to take it live to compete with the best. You can't just be sitting and thinking that I'll give it later. No, take it live. And at every question, you get to see your ranking. You get to see a live leaderboard to understand where you stand among your competition. See, and you get the video solution by the top educators. Once you get the video solution, you also get to understand how that question should actually be solved, which will really enhance your understanding of the concept and also enable you to do better in the GATE examination. So you get detailed video solution by top educator for each and every question. Okay, compete, crack and conquer. Okay, so here you get a score based on your speed and accuracy. That means the student who answers correctly and at the best speed will get the highest score. You get to know the leaderboard, that is where you are ranking, how many students are above you in terms of ranking, the rating, your overall rating, and awards in terms of scholarship. So my friend, the next scholarship test is scheduled for 28th March 11 a.m. and there is a chance to win scholarship worth of rupees 1.8 crore just in the month of March. So mark the date and time, and you can use the code simply. You can use the code Ankit ESE to enroll in this combat. So my friend, competition format will be 60 minutes. 20 questions will be asked. Okay, 5 cohorts we are supporting: mechanical, civil, electrical, EC, CS. And in this weekend we are supporting electrical and EC. Relative scoring based on speed and accuracy. Whoever answered correct and most at a highest speed, or you can say fastest, he will get the highest score. So relative scoring is there. And my friend, it is the largest weekly scholarship test. Every week different branches are conducted. Then you can assess your GATE preparation as well. That is, you can get to know where you rank. You have the challenging and the original questions curated by the top educators. You have to take it live to compete with the best. It is super fast and you have fun while you learn. And you can identify and improve upon your weaker areas. But my friend, the most important thing is the date and time, March 28, 11 a.m. I will see you in the combat, and please make sure that my students stop this exam and get to learn from me on Unacademy Plus in my live classes. So enroll now, use the code AnkitESE to unlock it, download Unacademy Learning app from the App Store and Play Store and have fun while you learn. So that's all from my side. All the best, guys, and I hope you crack it this time and get 100% scholarship and make me proud. So see you all on 28th March 11 a.m. Let's crack it.